Hello guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Sound Audio ID on Roblox on mobile. So first of all, you will not need to use your application. You will need to use a browser. Open up your browser, go to roblox.com and press continue in browser option. So we would be able to copy it. After that, press on create at the top. So this is the third button right there, and you will be redirected to the Creator Hub. Now, after you're here, press on those free lines again and press on Creator Hub at the top. So you would see a store option. Press on it. On store option, you want to choose audio at the top. And then you want to go ahead and search for your audio or just explore it. Now, after that, for example, let's go ahead and choose this one. And you will have an option to get an audio or more info. So you're going to click more info. And now this audio will open up. Now, all you need to do to have its ID, press on URL right there, and go ahead. Here it is, 1848.3, and so on and so forth. Here it is. You can now copy the ID and paste it wherever you like. So, if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.